Welcome, my name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. In this short video tutorial, we're going to show you how to use the SUMIF function in Excel. The SUMIF function is used to count certain cells or numbers that match a given criterion. For example, it is used to count the gains we have made in only a certain section, not the entire table. Let's take a look at this together. We have two tables that contain the data we want to calculate. We'll use them as an example to see how the SUMIF function works. For example, we can calculate how many jeans have been sold from all stores. We click on the cell in which we want to display the result. We enter an equal sign. And we enter SUMIF. We click on the suggestion that appears. Now we can start entering more data. At the top, click on the option, Insert Function, which is represented by the letters FX. This will open a window in which to enter the necessary information. First, enter the criterion. We click in the criterion line and enter jeans, because we want to find out how many units of this particular item have been sold. Now we click on range. Here we need to enter the range in which we want Excel to look for certain data. We want to search in the range of goods, so we select all the data in this column. Now we need to select the area containing the values to be added, so we will select the sales column. If we have done this correctly, we press the OK button. Done. Excel has calculated for us the sum of all the jeans sold. It was easy, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, let us know via comment or like. Interested in more videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.